Donald Trump is back in the White House and he has started working on some of the promises he made to the American people during his campaign back in 2024. He promised to secure the borders. He said he was going to send the undocumented immigrants back to their home countries, and he even decided to deny citizenship to babies whose parents are not Americans and yet will be born in the US. But there are some people that are pushing back.
A federal judge in Seattle on Thursday blocked President Donald Trump's administration from implementing an executive order curtailing the right to automatic birthright citizenship in the United States, calling it, quote, blatantly unconstitutional. The judge issued a temporary restraining order at the urging of 4 Democratic-led states, including Washington, where Nick Brown is the Attorney General.
This is about people who the President of the United States was trying to deny their lawful right to be citizens. And babies are being born today, tomorrow, every day, all across this country. And so we had to act now to provide back to the status quo, back what has been the law of the land for generations, that you are an American citizen if you were born on American soil, period. Nothing that the President can do will change that.
Trump in his executive order directed U.S. agencies to refuse to recognize the citizenship of children born in the United States if neither their mother nor father is a U.S. citizen or legal permanent resident. The judge said this viewpoint, quote, boggles the mind. The states argued that Trump's order violated the rights enshrined in the Citizenship Clause of the U.S. Constitution's 14th Amendment, that provides that anyone born in the United States is a citizen. More than 150,000 newborn children would be denied citizenship annually if Trump's order is allowed to stand, according to the Democratic-led states. Several other lawsuits are also pending nationwide by civil rights groups and Democratic attorneys general from 22 states, who called Trump's order a flagrant violation of the U.S. Constitution. 36 of Trump's Republican allies in the U.S. House of Representatives on Tuesday separately introduced legislation to restrict automatic citizenship to only children born to citizens or lawful permanent residents.
All right, so there are some individuals in the US and even outside of the US that are not happy with some of the policies or some of the threats of Donald Trump because, well, they believe it may go against them. And, you know, friends, the Pope has joined the pushback by calling Trump's threats or decision to send undocumented immigrants back to their home countries a disgrace. There is another thing that is worth talking about, and that is the issue of LGBT. You know, the LGBT persons living in the US are angry, friends. They are angry.
As of today, it will henceforth be the official policy of the United States government that there are only 2 genders, male and female.
They are angry that Donald Trump is messing up with their lives. Oh boy, friends, they are angry because Trump signed recently that the US only recognizes 2 sexes. I mean, male and female.
As of today, it will henceforth be the official policy of the United States government that there are only 2 genders, male and female.
Apart from male and female, any other thing is just to be thrown into the trash, you know. And the LGBT people are very angry. They don't like it. Friends, they don't like it.
These announcements and these policy changes really affect people on a deep level that I don't think most cisgender people understand.
It sounds like we're going very, very backwards. And for it to be 2025, we haven't really gone that far forward. So I'm terrified. Every right, I can see all of them being repealed, and a lot of people in danger.
I agree with Donald Trump on that alone, because the Bible tells us clearly that God created man and woman, male and female, but the devil wants to disrupt society and change what God has actually made or instituted. He wants to bring different agenda, different things, different sexes and others. You know, so perfectly I agree with what Donald Trump is doing. friends, concerning the LGBT issues.
As of today, it will henceforth be the official policy of the United States government that there are only two genders, male and female.
So I think the LGBT persons will give us a break, especially in the church. 2024, 2023, I was making videos about how the LGBT group in the SDA church, some of the influential individuals that are LGBT people were giving the church pressure to affirm LGBT. You saw those videos, friends. You saw those videos. And I think this year, we are not going to see those things again in the church.
This political correctness, this pronouns that folks have to go under, these transgender bathrooms, and all this nonsense we're seeing in America today. So we're looking forward to get away from that.
They think it's okay, boys can be girls, girls can be boys, all that kind of nonsense. That's why he won.
But the other policy of sending undocumented immigrants back home, friends, I cannot say much about that. That is what I think many Americans want. They want secured borders. That is why they voted for Donald Trump. So I can't talk much about that. Definitely it's going to affect many people, many good people as well. It's going to affect them. But we will keep praying for people that will be affected. We will keep praying for them. Yes, because living in America is a good thing, because there are benefits that you can get. Your life becomes better and others. But with God, your life could become also better in your home country. That is what I believe. Yes, that is what I believe. God is the one that provides, So wherever you are living, God is still present. God is going to provide, and things are going to be well with you if you only trust in Him. Friends, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. This is your brother Lawrence. See you next time. God bless.